Sorry. Oh my god. Hi guys. Oh my god, wait, let me do it again. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time, I am Alice. You're welcome to this channel where I share content on my hair care journey and also lifestyle vlogging. So please do well to hit the subscribe button to join the family, and trust me, you're going to enjoy this channel. Okay, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, my returning subscribers, like I cannot do an intro without doing a shout out to you guys. Okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. So yes, in today's video I'm going to be doing okay, I'm actually going to be talking about my relaxed hair setback after relaxing my hair, the setback I had. So that is what I'm going to do in this video. So firstly, I mentioned in my previous video that I had a relaxer bone and it wasn't much, so I was able to treat that within 4 days, and I made use of my coconut oil to treat that. So it was just something very easy. Like the bones wasn't much, it was more at the back area. That's very weird because I don't get bones at the back, but I don't know, probably due to the fact that I left the relaxer on for too long, like I mentioned in the video. But yes, I was able to treat that within 4 days with my coconut oil. So now the major setback that I'm trying to treat right now is heat damage. Oh my god, I feel so sorry for my hair. Like I've been feeling so sad. I don't know, like this is exactly 3 weeks since I relaxed my hair and I haven't been able to braid it because of the setback that I have. And anyways, I'm trying this now just to try as much as possible to make sure that I treat the heat damage, because my hair is super dry. Like the way it feels as I'm touching it, especially all this area, like it feels very dry. I can't even make it, and I've been having some little breakage due to the dryness. So I'm going to be doing a protein treatment, and I'll do a co-washing first because I can't use shampoo for now, because I don't even have, if I'm to use a shampoo safe, the right shampoo I'm supposed to use is not available. So I'm doing a co-washing, and I mentioned in my previous video that I'll talk about this new product I'm trying, which is VOC conditioner, moisturizing conditioner. This wasn't what I wanted to get when I got to the supermarket, but I didn't see the one I was going to buy, so the lady recommended this, and I used it, and yes, I liked the feeling when I used it, but I couldn't explain better in my previous video. So the conditioner contains 5 vitamins and oils: sunflower oil, almond oil, mango oil, rosemary oil, and yeah, it was really nice. Like I could feel the softness from my hair when I used it. It made my hair very soft, and it was like, this is actually the first conditioner I've seen that really detangles my hair while I'm making use of it. So yeah, this is what I'll be using to co-wash my hair, and then I'm going to do a protein treatment. And then this deep conditioning, I said in my last video, my relaxer video, that it's my first time of using it. I mean, how can this baby girl be doing an hair care journey for the past 1 year plus? Like, it's 1 year plus now, and I did not use a deep in conditioner. I don't know. But anyways, at least now I've finally started using it, so hopefully we'll see some new changes, I guess. Yeah. So this one, it's Mega Growth. I feel like I just feel safe using Mega Growth products. So, and yeah, it says it's excellent for deep repair of damage caused by styling stresses, heat styling, over processing, and dryness. And yes, that's basically what I'm suffering from right now: heat damage and dryness. Like, the hair is super dry. The roll and set I did is the reason why I'm having heat damage. So I think I stayed under the hair dryer for a really long time, and the heat was high. I just don't like using heat, but then that's why I usually like to use heat on my hair just whenever I relax my hair and I go and set it. But to be honest, the dryer was super hot, and I stayed for a very long time because my hair doesn't get dry easily whenever I am setting it. But yeah, let's not make this video too much because we still have a long way to go, guys. We still have a long way to go. So I'm just going to do the cold washing and protein treatment, and then I'll deep condition the hair. Hopefully it will treat this dryness and heat damage. I mean, I don't know if you guys, there are some parts that feels really you know, when you hear this sound, like when you touch, you feel the hair, you know, when you touch it, that's when you know how it feels, if it's soft or not. But it gives me some kind of feeling, stringy feeling, yeah. And then sound, like when you snap it, it will easily break. So yes, that is it. And yes, I forgot to mention that some of the hair were underprocessed, but we are going to talk about that in another video. So guys, the first thing I did was co-washing, and I allowed the conditioner to sit on my hair for 5 minutes. I did it twice, so that's basically 10 minutes. And this was after washing the conditioner off my hair, and then I started with the protein treatment. I applied it, and then I left it on my hair for 40 minutes. Yeah, for 40 minutes. I left it on for 40 minutes. And you guys have been seeing my videos how I prepare my protein treatment. So in case you've not seen the video on how I prepare the protein treatment I use, I'm going to drop the video link in the description box, or it's going to pop out somewhere around the video.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
Conditioner in the hair, just so that you can still feel the moisture on the hair. And I had to do that because I wasn't going to moisturize and seal it with my oil this particular night, so I was going to do it the next day. So I had to make sure there are some deep conditioner rather in the hair still, so that the moisture will still be there. And then I had to cover it with my silk materials.